Hello and welcome dear students. Today we are going to learn the topic applications of derivatives. In that first article, how to find the equations of tangent and normal. Okay, so for that you have to remember first these three things. First point, always note that slope of tangent is given by dy by dx. Derivative nothing but slope of tangent, which is given by dy by dx. Second point is the equation of a line passing through a point x1 comma y1 and having slope m, which is given by this formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So by using this equation we can find equation of tangent and normal. And third point is, if you know slope of tangent and that is m, then you can find slope of normal. That is, take minus sign and a reciprocal of that slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is m, then slope of normal minus 1 upon m, because tangents and normals are perpendicular to each other, and we know formula m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. If m1 is slope of tangent and m2 is slope of normal, therefore product of their slope must be minus 1. That is formula. When tangents and normals are perpendicular to each other, then formula is m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So if we know slope of tangent m, we can find slope of normal. That is, take minus sign and the reciprocal of that slope. Okay. So with the help of these three things, we can find the equation of tangent and normal. Okay. Let us continue. First problem. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve x cube plus y cube minus 9xy equal to 0 at point 2 comma 4. So its solution. First write given curve. So given that x cube plus y cube minus 9xy equal to 0. First we differentiate this equation with respect to x. We have to find dy by dx, that means slope of tangent. So derivative of x cube 3x square plus derivative of y cube 3y square into derivative of y, that is dy by dx, minus 9 constant, derivative of xy, x into y, that is product, apply u into a formula, first function x, derivative of y dy by dx plus derivative of x is 1, second function y is equal to 0, and simplify this. So 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx multiply by minus 9 minus 9x dy by dx minus 9y equal to 0. Therefore, left side 3y square dy by dx minus 9x dy by dx, take terms without dy by dx on right side, that is plus 9y, and 3x square becomes minus 3x square. Take common dy by dx in bracket 3y square minus 9x dy by dx common is equal to 9y minus 3x square, and therefore we get dy by dx is equal to 9y minus 3x square divided by 3y square minus 9x. And therefore point is given dy by dx at point 2 comma 4 is equal to 9, here y coordinate 4 minus 3, x coordinate 2, its square divided by 3, y means 4, its square minus 9, x is 2. 9 into 4, 36, minus 3, 2 square 4, divided by 3, 4 square 16, minus 9 into 18. So we get 36, minus 3 into 4, 12, divided by 3 into 16, 48, minus 18. So it is equal to 36 minus 12, 24, divide by 48 minus 18, that is 30. Again divide by 6, 4 divided by 5. So get derivative dy by dx as 4 upon 5. But we know that slope of tangent is given by derivative dy by dx, and point also given. That point is 2, 4, and earlier we have calculated, and that is nothing but 4 divided by 5, right? And therefore we can find the equation of tangent to the curve at 2, 4 is, we know formula, y minus y1 is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. We know value of m, also we know x1, y1, this is x1, and 4 means y1. Putting values here, so y minus y1 is 4, m slope of tangent, that is 4 divided by 5, in bracket x minus x1, that is 2, and simplify this, take 5 on left side, so 5y minus 5 into 4, 20, right side multiply by 4, 4x minus 8. Therefore we get equation 4x, take 5y on right side, minus 5y minus 8 plus 20, that is plus 12, is equal to 0. So which is the equation of tangent. Then we find equation of normal. For that we find slope of normal. Now slope of normal, we know formula, minus 1 divided by m. We know slope of tangent, which is 4 by 5. So slope of normal, we take minus and reciprocal of this slope, that is minus sign and reciprocal 5 divided by 4. And therefore the equation of normal to the curve at point 2, 4 is we know formula is y minus y1, that is equal to m in bracket x minus x1. Putting values, so y minus y1, x1 is 2, y1 is 4, m, that is slope of normal, we have find minus 5 by 4, in bracket x minus x1, x1 means 2, take 4 on left side, so we get 4y minus 4 into 4, 16, multiply by minus 5 to bracket, minus 5x, minus plus 5 into 2, 10. And we get equation, take minus 5x on left side, so 5x plus 4y minus 16 and minus 10, minus 26 is equal to 0, and is the required equation of normal. Okay. Continue second problem. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve x equal to sin theta and y equal to cos 2 theta at theta equal to pi by 6. So note that here parametric equations are given. So first write that, given that x equal to sin theta and y equal to cos 2 theta. First we differentiate with respect to theta. First we have to find dy by dx, that is slope of tangent. So dx by d theta, derivative of sin theta cos theta, and dy by d theta, derivative of cos 2 theta minus 2 into sin 2 theta, derivative of cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta, again multiply by derivative of 2 theta, that is 2. Therefore we know formula, dy by dx equal to, formula is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. putting values here, dy by d theta minus 2 sine 2 theta divided by dx by d theta is cos theta, and therefore derivative, note that here angle theta equal to pi by 6 given. So first we find point. So at theta equal to pi by 6, what is x coordinate, y coordinate, we can find. So x is given by sine theta, and theta means pi by 6. So value of sine 30, 1 by 2, and y is cos 2 theta. Theta means pi by 6, and it is cos pi divided by 3. 2 by 6 means 3. Cos 60 also value 1 by 2, and therefore the point is, suppose point is x1 y1, and which is congruent to, we get same x coordinate 1 by 2, y coordinate 1 by 2. And now we can find slope of tangent. Suppose m, and we know that is derivative, slope of tangent means dy by dx, and point also we have find, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and that is equal to, substitute value here, this is derivative, minus 2 sine 2 into theta. What is theta? Pi by 6 divided by cos theta is pi by 6. So minus 2 into sine pi divided by 3 cos pi by 6, that is minus 2 sine 60 root 3 by 2 cos 30 here, cos 30 also root 3 by 2, cancel, and we get only minus 2, right? The slope of tangent, we know point is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and slope is minus 2, so we can find, therefore the equation of tangent to the curve at point 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is, we know formula y minus y1 equal to m in bracket x minus x1, putting values. So y minus y1 is 1 by 2, m slope minus 2 in bracket x minus x1 means again 1 by 2, and simplify this, multiply minus 2x minus minus plus 2 cancel 1, take here LCM on left side, 2y minus 1 divided by 2 equal to minus 2x plus 1. So 2y minus 1, take 2 on right side, minus 4x plus 2, and therefore on left side minus 4x become plus 4x plus 2y minus 1, and this minus 2 minus 3 equal to 0, and this is the required equation of tangent. Then we find equation of normal. For that, find first slope of normal, which is nothing but minus sign and a reciprocal of slope of tangent. Slope of tangent is minus 2, minus sign taken, and reciprocal of this, that is minus 1 by 2. So what do you get here? Plus 1 by 2. Opposite sign and reciprocal, and therefore the equation of normal to the curve at point 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is given by y minus y1. You know formula, y1 means 1 by 2, then m slope 1 by 2 in bracket x minus x1. x1 means again 1 by 2, right? Take 2 on left side, so we get 2y minus 2 to cancel here, we get 1 x minus half. Throughout multiply by 2, so we have to get 4y minus 2 equal to 2x minus 1. Throughout multiply by 2, and therefore we get 2x minus 4y on right side minus 1 plus 2, that is plus 1 equal to 0, which is the required equation of normal. Let us continue. Third problem. Find the points on the curve y equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x where the tangents are parallel to the line 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Right? So first we find dy by dx, that is slope of tangent from the given curve. So right, we have y equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x. First differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, dy by dx equal to derivative of x cube 3x square minus derivative of 2x square, that is 2 into 2 4x minus derivative of x 1. And therefore we know that slope of tangent nothing but derivative. Slope of tangent dy by dx, and that is 3x square minus 4x minus 1. Suppose equation 1. Then given that tangents are parallel to this line, we can find slope of this line, and this line is parallel to tangent. That means slope of line nothing but slope of tangent. So from that we can find what is given. Since the tangents are parallel to the line 3x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. That is, we can write this line as y equal to 3x plus 1. Compare this with line y equal to mx plus c. Coefficient of x nothing but slope. So here slope is 3, and therefore slope equal to 3. And note that line is parallel to tangent, that is given. Line is parallel to tangent. That means slope of tangent also same. This slope of line. So slope of tangent also same 3. Equation 2. Already we have found slope of tangent from the curve is equation 1, that is 3x square minus 4x minus 1. And this is given slope of tangent 3. So you can equate equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, left side same. So you can equate right side. So from 1 and 2 we get 3x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 3. And therefore we get 3x square minus 4x minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. Quadratic equation. Simplify. Minus 4 into 3 minus 12. Factorize minus 12 such that their difference is minus 4. So we get 3x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So take 3x common in bracket x minus 2 plus 2 common in bracket x minus 2 equal to 0. Again x minus 2 common, second bracket 3x plus 2 equal to 0, and this gives x minus 2 equal to 0 or 3x plus 2 equal to 0, and therefore x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 2 by 3, right? So coordinate. So when x equal to 2, y coordinate from the curve x cube 2 cube minus 2, x square minus 2 square minus 2. So it 8 minus 2 into 4 minus 2, 8 minus 2 into 4, 8 minus 2, 8 cancel, we get minus 2. Second value minus 2 by 3. Find y coordinate from the curve. X cube means minus 2 by 3, its cube minus 2, x square minus 2 by 3 square minus x, that is minus 2 by 3. So it is equal to minus 8 divided by 27 minus 2 by 3 square, that is 4 divided by 9 minus plus 2 by 3. So minus 8 by 27 minus 2 into 4, 8 by 9 plus 2 by 3. Take here LCM. LCM is 27. So numerator minus 8 minus 27 divided by 9, 3 into 8, 24 plus 27 divided by 3, 9 into 2, 18. So 8 minus 24 minus 32 plus 18 divided by 27. Minus 32 plus 18, that is 14, minus 14 divided by 27, right? Minus 14 by 27, that is y coordinate, and therefore the required points are on the curve are, first point is 2 comma minus 2, and second point is minus 2 by 3 comma minus 14 by 27. Okay, we'll stop here. Till then, goodbye.